Did you know that the same cosmic rays that paint the night sky with auroras can also harm your electronics? Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of science and technology. Today, we're diving into the intriguing topic of cosmic radiation and how to protect your electronics from it. Let's get started. Cosmic radiation, or cosmic rays, are high-energy particles from space. They can cause a variety of effects on electronics, from temporary glitches to permanent damage. But don't worry, your smartphone isn't going to explode. The effects are usually subtle and more problematic for sensitive systems like those found in airplanes and satellites. When cosmic rays strike an electronic device, they can change the state of its digital memory. This is known as a bit flip. While this might not sound like a big deal, a bit flip in the wrong place at the wrong time can cause a system to crash or behave unpredictably. So, how can we protect our electronics from cosmic radiation? Well, there are several strategies. One is to use error-correcting code memory, which can detect and correct bit flips. Another is to design circuits in a way that makes them less susceptible to these effects. And of course, shielding can help too, although it's not always practical for small, lightweight devices like smartphones. While the threat of cosmic radiation to our electronics might seem scary, it's important to remember that engineers and scientists are constantly working on new ways to protect our devices. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, you can appreciate its beauty without worrying about your smartphone. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating science and tech content. Until next time, keep exploring.